When the weather heats up, nothing hits quite like a cold, refreshing popsicle. And today we're taking it up a notch with these vibrant, homemade blueberry lemon popsicles. This recipe brings together the natural sweetness of blueberries with the bright, tangy kick of fresh lemon juice to create a perfectly balanced frozen treat. What makes these popsicles stand out is their deep, rich color and real fruit texture. They're not using artificial flavors or shortcuts here, just simple ingredients, gently cooked and blended to bring out the maximum flavor. The blueberries break down into a smooth, naturally sweet base, while the lemon adds the crisp citrus finish that keeps every bite refreshing. These are perfect for summer days, family treats, or even prepping ahead and keeping stocked in your freezer. They look incredible, taste even better, and once you make them, you'll never go back to store-bought again. Let's get started. Start by gathering all your ingredients: fresh or frozen blueberries, lemons, sugar, water, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Having everything measured and ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Cut your lemons in half and squeeze out the juice into a measuring cup. Fresh lemon juice is key here. It gives the popsicles a bright, clean flavor that balances the sweetness of the blueberries. In a saucepan, combine the blueberries, sugar, and part of the water. This step begins building the base and allows the sugar to dissolve evenly into the fruit. Place the saucepan over medium heat and let the blueberries simmer. As they cook, they'll begin to burst and release their juices, creating a deep purple mixture full of natural flavor. Transfer the cool blueberry mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. This creates a rich, thick puree, forms the body of the popsicles. For a smoother texture, pour the puree through a fine mesh strainer. This removes the skins and gives you a cleaner, more refined popsicle base. Pour the strained blueberry puree into a bowl, then add the fresh lemon juice, remaining water, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Stir everything together until fully combined and balanced. Carefully pour the mixture into popsicle molds, filling each cavity while leaving a small amount of space at the top for expansion during freezing. Drop a few whole blueberries into each mold. This adds texture and gives the finished popsicle a beautiful, natural look. Set the filled molds on your counter briefly to ensure everything is evenly distributed and settled. Once set, insert the popsicle sticks into each mold, making sure they stay centered. Transfer the molds into the freezer and let them freeze completely until solid, usually several hours or overnight. When ready to serve, remove the popsicles from the molds by briefly running them under warm water. Gently pull them out to reveal their vibrant color and smooth texture. Arrange the finished popsicles on a board with some fresh blueberries and lemon slices. They're now ready to enjoy or store for later. These popsicles are all about balance. Berries bring natural sweetness, but depending on the batch, they can vary in intensity. That's why tasting your mixture before freezing is so important. You can easily adjust the sugar or lemon juice to get the perfect flavor. Cooking the blueberries first is a key step. It not only softens the fruit, but also concentrates the flavor and helps dissolve the sugar completely. Skipping this step would give you a much lighter and less developed taste. Straining the mixture is optional, but it makes a noticeable difference in texture. If you prefer a smoother, more refined popsicle, it's worth the extra step. If you like a more rustic, natural feel, you can leave it unstrained. A pinch of salt might seem small, but it plays a big role. It enhances the sweetness of the blueberries and sharpens the citrus notes from the lemon, making the overall flavor pop. For variations, you can swirl in a lemon-only layer for two-tone popsicle, Add a touch of honey instead of sugar. Mix in other berries like raspberries or blackberries. These popsicles store well in the freezer for up to a couple of weeks. Make them perfect for batch preparation. And there you have it, fresh homemade blueberry lemon popsicles that are bursting with flavor and perfect for a warm day. Simple ingredients, vibrant color, and refreshing taste that really stands out. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the full popsicle playlist for even more frozen treats. There's plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching Cooking with Rod, and I'll see you in the next one.